Hey Anna, isn't the Michigan Park area such a nice neighborhood?
Yes, it is.
I love the fact that all these families in the afternoon come out with their kids. They go to Michigan Park. We see them riding bikes. It's just such a peaceful neighborhood. I love that the majority of the homes are ranch style. Just a cute place to have a family and have your kids go to the local schools, right?
Yes, I really love the fact that we have really good restaurants nearby, such as Off the Hook Fish and Grill. There's the Grub Burger. And if you want something simple and light, there's Jersey Mike's. And let's not forget the newly built LA Fitness.
Absolutely, such great eateries. And on top of that, this neighborhood has the local schools, which are amazing. Like you have Ocean View Elementary, you have East Whittier Middle School, you have Serna High School, and let's not forget Cal High School, which is down the street. It's just, everything is so close within walking distance.
I agree.
mean, who wouldn't want to move into this beautiful Michigan Park neighborhood, right, Anna?
Yeah, it's a great neighborhood.
We love this place. Hey, let's go visit our new listing.
Yeah, let's go. Hi, Willie and Anna with the Garcia team. Today we're at another great listing in the Michigan Park neighborhood. We're located at 8309 California Avenue.
That's right, beautiful Michigan Park. This homeowner here has created some beautiful memories, 56 years of memories. They built this house and now they're ready to move forward and sell the house. This house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's 1,741 square feet of living space, and the lot size is 6,841. This is a great opportunity for you to come in, purchase this home, remodel it, and make it your own, especially because it's in the Michigan Park area. Come on in.
Let's go in.